Hello and welcome to the RaceKart game. You can access different statistics lab for this game by clicking on the Instructor's Note option and incorporating them into your class. Click on Data Visualization to see a visual representation of the collected data through different plots and get a better understanding of how to get the best time in different tracks through different wheel, engine, and car model combinations. Make sure you enter both player ID and group ID before you proceed with the game. Click on this Controls button to review what keys you can use to control your car in the game. You can click on this tutorial option to redirect you to this video. There are a total of 3 levels in the game. You can unlock these levels by completing the track in the preceding level within a given time. Each of these levels has distinct features that adds to the complexity of the track, so you might have to adjust your handling of the car according to the track to complete the objective. You can click on this practice track to race in a simple track and familiarize yourself with the controls and the kart handling. Let's look at level 1. Each level has an explanation scene which explains the unique features of the track. You are then taken to the garage scene where you can use these right and left buttons to modify the kart according to your preferences. Each wheel, engine, and car model have different settings and can affect different variables in your car, such as speed, acceleration, grip, and so on, differently. To know which combinations work best, click on the Data Visualization tab in the main menu. You can click on this Specs button to see what characteristics each part of the car has. After you are done selecting the different parts of the car, you can choose to play either the regular mode or the challenge mode. In the challenge mode, you can choose to alter 2 characteristics of the car you chose. Each time you alter a characteristic, 1 second will be added to your finish time. If you decide to change your mind, you can also click on the reset button. If you choose the normal mode, you will not be able to change any of your car's characteristics. Click on Ready when you are ready to play. Here, you will only be able to start racing after the countdown has completed. The objective of this game is to pass all the checkpoints in the track within a limited amount of time. The finish line is the 4th and last checkpoint. This is what checkpoints look like in the game. If you get out of the track, you can always use pink ramps like these that have been positioned in various locations across the map to get back into the track. As all the checkpoints are located inside the track, you might miss checkpoints by driving off the track. As you can see, there are direction arrows in the game to show you the correct direction to drive in the track. Anytime in the game, you can press on the tab button on your keyboard to restart, quit the level, turn off the background sounds, or review the controls. The timer at the top middle indicates how much time you have left to finish the game. On the top left, you will be able to see how many checkpoints are remaining. Let's look at the sandbox level. The sandbox level has been designed so the users can alter different variables of the car through sliders and see how it affects the kart handling, and also to see which setting is optimal for different tracks. After you have chosen the variables, you can choose the track you want to test in by clicking on the image of the track. For the sandbox is also saved into the database. Thank you for playing RaceKart. Hope you enjoy it.